Selenium for Beginners with Rex Jones II.
Hello and welcome to Selenium for Beginners. We are going to discuss how to create our own customized CSS Selector values. The cheat sheet and transcript will be available on GitHub at rexjones2nd/Selenium for Beginners and tinyurl.com Selenium locators for web elements. Let's start with the hashtag, which represents the ID attribute, and the dot, which represents the class attribute. We are going to use OrangeHRM as our AUT application under test. Inspect username. And we see an ID attribute. To find this element using ID, we write the tag name input, and we see 22 elements with an input tag. Hashtag, then paste the value for ID, which is search system user underscore username. The green highlighted element means we successfully found username. Next is the class attribute. Let's inspect the search button. And we see class has a value of search button. Write input dot search button. The element is highlighted green. Did you notice the Chrome Dev Tools provide a CSS Selector value over the web element? Hover over the search button and we see input hashtag search capital BTN dot search button. It combines the ID and class attributes. Input hashtag search capital BTN dot search button, and we have our element. However, only one attribute is sufficient if it contains a unique value. We can also find an element using ID or class without writing a tag name like hashtag search capital BTN, but it is best to include the tag name. The next two syntaxes show tag name and a condition. Attribute name equals attribute value. We have the option of adding more than one condition. Both of these syntaxes look like an XPath syntax. The difference is XPath has 2 forward slashes and an @ symbol. Let's inspect the delete button and write a query. We see our element. Write tag name input, 2 brackets, then write type. And we see 18 elements. Narrow the search for type by writing equal, 2 single quotes, and submit. Now we see 1 of 1. If we change submit to button, then we see 8 elements, which include search, reset, and add. The developer has delete as a different type than the other buttons. Next, inspect image. There are 4 attributes: src, width, height, and alt. Let's pretend a requirement wanted to make sure the width and height is a certain size. We can write img for tag, 2 brackets, width equal 2 single quotes, and 283. for the first condition. The second condition, 2 brackets, height equal 2 single quotes, and 56. Bingo, we have our element. Next, we're going to look at some advanced CSS selectors.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.